Hey Roadrunners, today I'll be showing you how to use a net price calculator through the University Transfer Center website. The net price calculator is a helpful tool to determine the amount of aid you will receive to go towards your four-year institution as well as your out-of-pocket costs not covered by financial aid. To access the net price calculator for the UC, you will scroll down until you see Transfer to the UC. You will then scroll down until you see Financial Aid Calculator. Once you're here, you will have to choose the university that you are interested in. Today we'll be using Riverside. Once you're here, you'll want to select the answers that best fit your situation regarding marital status, parent income, number of family members, etc. Once you have verified the information is correct, you can see your estimated net price that you may have to pay out of pocket. Please keep in mind that this is just an estimate and does not account for changes to your yearly FAFSA, any scholarships from the university, etc. Once you apply to the university and complete your FAFSA, you will get a true amount. Here you can see the cost for tuition and fees, room and board, book and supplies, and other expenses including gas or any other personal expenses. The total cost of attendance would be $36,703. Here you can see the total grant and or scholarship money you may receive. At the bottom is an estimated out-of-pocket cost after grants. We recommend scheduling an appointment with a transfer counselor to go over more specific details or any concerns regarding the cost of attendance.